Feeling guilty after setting a boundary with a narcissist does not mean that you made a mistake or that you were too harsh with this boundary. Narcissists really make you feel guilty for setting boundaries because someone who's in a state of guilt is easier to control. So the guiltier you feel, the more likely you are to not have that boundary, whether it's low contact, no contact, or just gray rocking them, because realistically, those are the only 3 boundaries you can really have with a narcissist. They want you to believe that you have hurt them so badly. And the thing is, they target people who have empathy. You're probably the type of person who would never want to make somebody feel hurt because of something you said or did. And narcissists prey on that, and they know that about you. They know that if they can make you feel guilty for lowering their access to you, chances are you're gonna act on that guilt and increase contact with the narcissist, and that cycle of abuse continues over and over and over again. And this is all you have to look forward to with a narcissist. The sooner you understand that you are not responsible for their emotional state, the easier it's gonna be to stick to your boundary. Your mental and emotional health is way more important than the narcissist's performance of their disappointment that they can't manipulate you anymore. You got this.